PanelZilla tutorial: how to install SSL on your website. Hi, welcome to the PanelZilla tutorial. I'm Jane, your panel guide. Today we will talk about how to install SSL on your website. But first, let's understand what SSL is and why it's needed on your website. What is SSL and why is it needed? SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, is a standard security technology that establishes an encrypted link between a server and a client, typically a web server, website, and a browser or a mail server and a mail client, egg Outlook. This link ensures that all data passed between the web server and browsers remain private and integral. Why SSL is important for your website? Security. SSL encrypts the data that is transferred between your server and your users' browsers, protecting sensitive information such as login credentials, credit card numbers, and personal data. Trust. SSL certificates provide visual cues such as a padlock icon or a green bar in the browser's address bar, which helps users trust your website. SEO. Search engines like Google favor websites with SSL certificates, potentially boosting your site's ranking in search results. Compliance. Many regulations and standards, such as GDPR and PCI DSS, require the use of SSL to protect user data. Step-by-step guide to installing SSL on your website. Step 1. Log into your PanelZilla account. First, log into your PanelZilla account using your credentials. Step 2. Search for SSL. Once logged in, use the search bar to find SSL. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select your domain. Choose the domain you wish to enable SSL for from the list provided. Step 4. Activate SSL. Click on the Activate button to start the SSL installation process. Step 5. Enable HTTPS force. Below the activation option, you will see an option to enable HTTPS force. Click on it to ensure that all traffic to your website is securely redirected via HTTPS. Step 6. Wait for SSL to load. After completing the steps above, kindly wait for approximately 35 minutes. During this time, the SSL certificate will be automatically installed and configured for your website. Step 7. Verification. Once the waiting period is over, verify that your website is loading with HTTPS by checking the URL in your browser. You should see a padlock icon indicating that the connection is secure. Need more support? If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, please contact our support team at support@panelzilla.com. Thank you for following this tutorial. Your website is now more secure with SSL.